Well, that's mine from Custom Cruise. You can see here we're fitting a Sissybar rather than paying $1,200 or some crazy price to America. So we're taking the rear fender off, as you can see, and basically we're just modifying to miss this wiring. Okay, so this will be screwed on here, you know, tightened up and everything with the you know, with a strut. Okay, and then we're doing the other one as well. So this one here is going to go on this side. As you can see, missed the wiring. Now the other option we do is the Sissybar. If you don't want to have it this far back, you can obviously just drill a hole here and put the Sissybar there. So that's another option you got, is just to drill it and put it there. But you can see it does work, looks pretty good, not in the way of anything either. You know, originally we were going to have it here and here, but the problem with that is it means the pillion hasn't got a lot of room. You can see here. So basically these struts, this one is relieved to make it easy to get on and off. The other one's a straight one. We're just sort of trying two options here, but I think it's going to look pretty cool. The wires obviously just unplugged. This here was bodged up, not properly soldered or anything, so you know, we're basically going to put two proper crimps on that, and there's the original big dog plug. But not rocket science to do, you know, pretty well within the possibilities of anyone who's a bit of a spanner wanker, whatever you want to call us. Okay, so basically what you're going to do, you're going to drill a hole through this strut. These are held on obviously from the inside, and obviously this is held on from there, and the indicator's holding that on, and then obviously the Sissybar, as you can see from here, will be in the correct place. In other words, at the back of the seat. Okay, so this basically is going to go like this and give you a nice big tall Sissybar, which you'll be able to see in a minute. Okay, so game on. What we might do is have some of these made with the slots all built in. It's just this is the first demo sort of set that we've done. And this obviously will be powder coated black, because once we've destroyed the chrome, you know, you need a big gap round here. If you have it too tight, it could well cut through the wiring. So we have allowed quite a big gap. This is to allow it to swivel up easier. But looks pretty good. Thank you.